Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to share Instagram profile on Snapchat. So if you also want to share Instagram profile on Snapchat, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, Instagram has been opened. At bottom, you'll be able to find several options. What you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to your profile interface. Over here, you'll be able to see your profile. You can see two options over here, edit profile and share profile. In order to share the profile, all you have to do is tap on the option share profile. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. You can share your Instagram profile through various means. You can also share this QR code. Also, you'll be able to find the option for copy link, download, add to story, etc. If you want to share to Snapchat, all you have to do is tap on the share option that you can see at the bottom left. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see various platforms through which you can share the profile. Scroll down, find the option for Snapchat, simply tap on it. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to share the Instagram profile to the person that you want. You can also search for that person if you want. Once you find them, simply tap on their name. Now tap on the send icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now your Instagram profile will be shared. There is also another way to do so. Go back to Instagram application. Now you can also copy the link. Simply tap on the option copy link. Now what you have to do is go to Snapchat. You can see over here, Snapchat has been opened. You can see several options at bottom. Simply tap on the chats icon that you can see right over here. Now simply tap on the chat of the person to whom you want to share. Tap on the chat box. Now paste the link. Hit the send button. Now your Instagram profile has been shared. For example, if they tap on this link, you can see over here your profile will be opened. So that is how you share Instagram profile on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.